Medical academicians from Sudan's Jazeera University expressed appreciation for the competence demonstrated by students from Eri-TV Dentistry School, Asmara, and asserted that such virtue attests the school's excellence of standards and prevalence of higher student enthusiasm. They made their remark in connection with their visit to the school as external examiners of 22 students. The students registered high results in the standardized examination that involved both theoretical and practical aspects. Dr. Magid Muhammad, Dean of Al Jazeera School of Dentistry, indicated that health education in Eritrea entails reliable standards and there's a nurturing of competent young health experts. Such quality would give added impetus to the investment Eritrea is making in the health sector, he added. Dr. Abdul Hamid Hassan, Associate Dean of Al Jazeera School of Dentistry, and Dr. Kamal Mohammed Ahmed, dentistry expert, explained that availability of such outstanding students is a prerequisite as regards promoting societal well-being. Likewise, Dr. Nasir Mohammed Ahmed and Dr. Hashim Mohammed lauded the students' ethical compassion and sense of discipline and expressed conviction that Eri-TV Medical School's curriculum would draw exemplary image in the future. Dr. Gammar Ahmed Suleiman and Dr. Amir Elgal on their part stated that the competency of the students also proves the hard work and high profile of the lecturers. The team of the Sudanese academicians has been investigating the activities of our university closely, and our students are often examined by them before leaving for their internship, said Professor Anda Mariam Gabriel Mikhail, Dean of Eri-TV School.